Okay, it is now warm weather. We have to start thinking about the transition when we move from winter into warmer weather, which is spring. What happens in the fall? Leaves fall off the trees, they die, and then they land on the ground, old branches, dead leaves, all of that. Winter comes, everything is dormant. And then when the weather starts warming up, longer days, it causes stimulation. And then it wakens everything up. Water's going to increase, the snow melts, and it starts pulling all that debris, the dead leaves, the dead branches, all of it, down into the streams and the rivers. And that same process is happening inside of us. So how do we manage it in Ayurveda? We manage it by doing a spring cleanse. So if you are thinking about doing a spring cleanse, it's the time. And by the way, this is when you set your New Year's resolutions now, not in January. Do you plant seeds in your garden in January? No, you do not. You plant seeds in the spring. So you also plant your seeds of intention. The energy of spring supports making changes. So this is when you set your goals. It's when you're most likely to move yourself in a direction that is positive for your life. So very important to be taking a look at your life right now, things that you want to get rid of, toxic ways of thinking, toxic relationships, toxic ways of interacting with yourself and others, habits that you might have that don't serve you. It's now time to look at those things and make the changes, because you're going to get the support from the energy of spring. Okay. So that is our spring talk. See, it wasn't too long. And I hope that you guys will consider doing a spring cleanse. And here's what I tell everybody. Even if you don't want to do an Ayurvedic spring cleanse, which is a much more involved cleanse, go down and do at least a 2-week cleanse, like at Whole Foods. They have those 2-week cleanses. I think Trader Joe's even has one. And at least do a simple cleanse, because you're going to help clean out your system, and you will have less experience of fatigue, illness, allergies, compromised immune system, all of that. You support yourself by cleaning out all of the toxins and the debris from the fall and the winter. Okay? All right, let's get started with our practice.